Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let us see how to find the value of this one. So now what you can see, these are 5 terms. So in this one we can see 998 is in every term. So what are we going to do here? So we'll write here 998 into 5 because there are 5 terms, and then you can see plus in between each term. So we'll write here plus. So in the first one, we have already taken 995 here, 998, sorry, here. So we can write here, this is 2 by 17 plus the next term is 3 by 17 plus 5 by 17 plus 8 by 17 plus 16 by 17. So here, what are you going to get here? 998 into 5. So now let us see 998 into 5. So this is going to be 4990. So we'll write here 4990 plus. Now you can see the denominators everywhere is 17. So you can write here 17, you can take it common. And here now you're going to add all this one. So that is going to be 5, 10, 18, and this 18 plus 16. That is going to be 34. So what are you going to write here now? 4990 plus. So we can do one thing here. We can see this is in 17 ones are 17, 2s are 24. So you can write here 2. So this is going to be 499 is the answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.